Hi, I'm Akil Heather. Welcome to Java Programming Channel. Today I'm discussing about how to create frame using Swing. Before Swing, we use Applet and AWT framework, AWT package. But some problem is there. AWT is not complete Java because the AWT platform dependent. Some functionality not support in Mac OS, some functionality not support in Linux. So the platform dependent, but Swing is fully supported in all environment like Mac, Linux, Windows, etc. And Swing is very lightweight compared than Applet and AWT. So we use Swing Swing package. When we use Swing programming, whenever we need develop desktop application, application means application work in same system where database and application in single machine which is not distributed work. Whenever I want to use alone application and desktop application, then we use Swing application. Swing. Let's see how to create simple frame using Y Swing. First of all, import Java X dot swing under swing border color event file chooser plate etc. J JFrame etc. We need multiple class, so we should go for uh, import as a string for our swing package all class. There is some problem is there in keyboard. Port Java X dot swing protesta. And next create a method for define string framework. Wired init method. In init method, we two approach uh, create frame swing frame. First approach is extend the JFrame class. Second approach is create the object of JFrame. Now we use second approach create object of JFrame. After JFrame, fr equal new JFrame. I want to lay out setting customize our own required. So set layout null. You can pass the parameter different new border layout, new border layout, etc. But we no need such type of component because our own customized layout setting. So pass the null. Next, fr dot set bounds. Set bounds require four parameter. First parameter is x, second parameter of y-axis, x-axis and y-axis, and second parameter is length, or third parameter is width. Display on a screen, so we required set visible, otherwise set visible by default false. And main method new test dot init x 20, left the size 20, left the y size 100, length 400 and width 300. Change the x value 120, then different 120. I want to print some title in a frame, so we required fr dot set title like example my first frame. My first frame display on type. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more video. Thank you so much.